Hey guys, today in Cars in Motion, the Mustang's finally getting new seats. Let's put them in. Hey guys, it's Serge from Cars in Motion. Just me this time around. I think Gerard's at home sewing up his shirts. So it's just gonna be me, but we're still gonna have some fun. These just came in. I ordered them a while back and I'm pretty excited. So let me just tell you a little bit about the situation. I've owned quite a few SN95 Mustangs. Love the car, never liked the seats. Got the Cobra, seat was no better. So I've always wanted a nicer seat to actually hold me in when I'm driving the car, rather than trying to drive and trying to stay in the seat all at once. So if I had black interior, a lot more choices. I didn't want a black seat. I wanted a tan seat to kind of go with my interior because my interior is tan. So that really was something I was hoping for. But I was lucky. In my search, I came across the TMI company who makes seats, and I did like the look of them. I was like, okay, this particular one I really like. And then I found out they actually come out in many different colors. The gray to match your gray interior in your Mustang, tan, charcoal, black. It was fantastic. I was like, oh, this is awesome. I can get a seat to match the interior of the car. So that really appealed to me. I didn't find too much on the internet as far as pictures of this seat being in my car, or a video of this seat going into my type of car, like how well does it match and things like that. The information was kind of sparse. So I just had to have faith, pull the trigger, order them up from CJ Pony Parts. Took about 10 weeks to come in. It wasn't quick, but well worth it. I just love them so far. So I want to put them in together. And hopefully this little video is going to help you maybe decide down if you want to go with these seats or not. So let's put them in. All right, guys. Again, it's just me, so camera work's going to be a little bit different in this episode, but these are the seats that I got. And they are from TMI. They feel really nice. I like them. Already I can tell that the color is very, very close. Instructions come with it. And what else we got? We've got the sliders, some bolts. I'm going to talk about these bolts later. And the spacers, the shims, all this kind of stuff. Now, when I ordered my seats, I ordered also from CJ Pony the low profile bracket. So the seat's gonna go on that, and then that is gonna go back into the Mustang to keep it kind of low, because I heard that if you use the factory supports on this seat, it's kind of high. So if you get the low profile, it's gonna drop the seat down low again. So that's kind of what I want. All right, so that is our stuff. Let's begin. Now with this particular car, the driver's side seat is powered, but the passenger side isn't. So there should be some wires under there we're gonna have to hook. Got my ratchet, got 15 mil, should be 4 bolts. Two bolts from the back and 2 nuts from the front. So we've got that out. Like I said, there should be something to disconnect from the power seats. So again, be sure to unhook the seat because like I said, it's a power seat. All right, seats out. Something I did forget to mention in mine anyway, is I stand about 6 feet and the Mustang's a little cramped sometimes for how I like to drive. So what I recommend for that are the seat rail extensions. Gives you about 1 inch, maybe 2 inches in leg room. That way you can shove your seat back further. They work perfect for me. What I did notice though, with these new seats, even with the normal low profile rack that I ordered, or bracket, you do have more room. So I don't know if I need these anymore. So I think I'm gonna try to install them without and see how it goes. Because I can always put them in. Or maybe I will leave them in. Yeah, maybe I'll just leave them in. brackets on, all bolted up, nice and tight. Now ready to put it back in the car. So now this is sitting in the car. There's the other one. So you can see the color is pretty darn close. Like I'm more than happy with that. Little TMI there. Got to advertise. Got the holes. You could put a racing harness in here if you wanted to, maybe. But yeah, I am liking that. Lots of travel in the seat. Get it up really close if you want to have people in the back. But when you shoot the seat back, there's really nothing there. So keep that in mind. All right, there we have it. Seats are in. I'm enjoying them. I think it was money well spent. I would definitely recommend them. I think they're going to suit, for what I was looking for, very well in the Mustang. But I might be biased, so I'm going to get a second opinion. Let's get Gerard in here.
Yeah.
Hello.
In here, you got some new seats in here.
I do.
Ooh. I have to address the fact that you installed them without me.
I know, I needed it done right.
So I think what happened was Serge was pretty excited when these seats came in, because who'd you get? What are they? What brand are they?
TMI.
TMI, and I have to say they're way different than your old seats. Like they're really nice and bolstered. Like the old seats, Serge pointed out that they kind of, you sat on them, not in them. I still would have liked to been here, but I totally get what he was saying.
Yeah, like I wanted them done right, so.
Hey, is that to suggest that when I'm here it's not done properly? Whatever, it's not a big deal. They're great. Like from my first glance, like there's lots of more bolstering. Oh, and you can put 4-point harnesses in, or 4 or 5-point harnesses if you want to.
That might be a different
if you want to do it. So next step is getting it on the road, right?
Yeah, and that's really going to be putting through the test and just to see how the long haul will be. I haven't driven the car with them in yet, so I don't know if it's...
Because you couldn't have waited to put them in when I was around, right? And
no, I had to get
middle
them
of
in.
winter.
Yes.
But that's okay. So springtime, here we come.
That's right.
And I guess you'll see that in the future.
Exactly.
When the car's actually insured.
Yes, in a couple months.
That's right.
I can wait.
So that'll be in the future of Cars in Motion. You'll see this car with new seats and maybe a few other things.
In the meantime, I'm just going to sit in my car in the garage.
At least it's warm.
That's true.
Okay. See you guys next time.